This is Nathaniel from Endless TV. You can find us in the App Store. We have multiple apps. Each one is like a TV channel. You can see some of the apps here. Each app has a different set of content. We've secured content from over 2,000 sources. Wall Street Journal and BBC for news, TechCrunch, Mashable for our tech app, Sports Illustrated, and soon ESPN for our sports application. This content has allowed us to launch 15 applications so far, with 11 more in review by Apple. We plan to have 100 in the App Store before Christmas. Let's dive into one. Here's our most popular application, Endless News. Simply click play to start watching videos. Videos load quickly because we preload them to have no lag and no latency. Now, we curate videos based on the engagement users have with each video. This curation has led to a 2x increase in time watched per user. Now, navigation is pretty simple too. Simply swipe your finger across the screen to move to the next video. The next video will load up right away. Anytime you want to learn more about a video or pause, simply tap on the screen. When you pause, you can learn about what the source is, you can learn about what the title of the video is, and you can also see an advertisement seen here on the left. These ads perform remarkably well. We tap again, we can unpause the video and go on viewing. Now, if you ever want to watch something besides this channel, you can always scroll up. That will bring us to the next video from the next source. In this case, it's from BBC News. Now, just like before, if you ever want to pause, you can tap. In addition to watching or looking at the information, you can also click the share button on the bottom. This will allow you to share with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. Now, that's pretty much it for right now. Good luck with finding your app that you like best.